Today I want to speak about the Autism Assistance Dogs and the work that Autism Assistance Dogs Ireland do with their Autism Assistance programme. We learned about it yesterday from the presentation in the AV room. And the work they do is transforming the lives of children with autism and their families. They train and provide highly skilled, task-specific assistance dogs to children with autism who are struggling with the sometimes distressing elements of this invisible disability. And we know that 1 in 65 children in Ireland have autism. But yesterday we heard from some of the families whose lives have been transformed as a result of getting one of these dogs. And Edel told of her son Jack, who's 14 and has this complex brain disorder. And it means that he has no sense of rule awareness or danger. And he's also hypersensitive to noise, which means that he can't decipher sounds. So she described taking him shopping as a full-on assault and a full meltdown because of the noise and the lights and all of those things. And she described the additional stress caused by what she called the tutting brigade. You know, those who look disapprovingly and judge parents for allowing their children to behave in such a way. And this caused the family to stay at home and not participate in normal activities. But getting their dog, Thorpe, gave them the confidence to walk out the door again, as she said. People became aware that there was an issue and that it's not a spoilt child throwing a tantrum. And then Sue Garroge's mother described how getting their dog, Ruby, transformed their lives from like living in a coffin before being able to live full and active lives. And TJ, one of the fathers as well, described how his daughter's, Rebecca's, trust in her dog, Bella, and how it forms a link between the child with autism and other children in the same way that a guide dog does as well. But the bottom line is that this charity, Autism Assistance Dogs Ireland, needs funding. It has achieved full international accreditation, but it has 200 children on the waiting list. It takes 22,000 to train one dog, and they want to train 20 dogs this year. So this week we've heard about the billions in the budget and all of that. Surely this should be a priority for government. So I'd ask the support of the House in trying to obtain this small bit of funding. It's only 500,000 for this very valuable charity and the work they do.
Thank you.